Ready to retire? SCERS is here to help you achieve a financially secure future with lifetime monthly retirement benefits. What should I do? Plan ahead. Make sure the time is right. Your benefit grows the longer you work. Use our online benefit calculator to estimate your monthly retirement benefit. Discuss your plans with your employer. Consider your healthcare options. SCERS does not provide health benefits. Attend a SCERS retirement planning seminar or webinar. Speak with SCERS about the retirement process and provide the required documents, including Social Security card copies, birth certificates, and marriage and divorce documents. Apply early. You can submit your application 60 days before your retirement date. Keep in mind that your SCERS pension is just one part of your retirement income. Contact Social Security and your deferred compensation plan provider separately. We wish you all the best in retirement. For more retirement information, visit scers.org. We're here to help.